Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another installation video. And as you can see in front of me, I have a full suite of products, and then behind me, I have a beautiful third generation 2021 Yamaha MT-07. In this installation video, we will be referencing the previous installation shown on the Yamaha R7 of the womet-tech rear spool slider system. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in.
All right, everybody, this is how you should have received your kit there, the rear axle sliders. We're gonna go ahead and disassemble this, so that way I can show you a couple of the differences that you need to know when it comes to installing it. It is pretty simple here. Essentially, all you do is you have your accommodating hardware, your spacer that you would then superimpose the actual slider onto. The one thing that I do wanna make a mention is that one side has a recessed cup. That side goes on your sprocket side over the actual axle nut. This side here, you actually don't have to completely disassemble. It is basically ready for you to go ahead and slide in. I'm just gonna tighten it up just a little bit by hand for now. And then you're gonna slide it through the hollow point on the rear axle here, and it will sit flush. And then we're gonna go ahead and go on to the other side, and we'll carry on from there. Now on the sprocket side here, we do have the accommodating slider, spacer, and hardware. This is the recessed spacer. This does go on the sprocket side over the axle nut. So let's go ahead and get this in there. It is a number 5 T-handle. So you're just gonna slide that in, get a good bite on it, and then I'm just gently going to tighten this up until it bottoms out, and then we will torque it to the correct specifications. Now let's grab our torque wrench. I do have it seated all the way. It doesn't matter which side you torque as long as it is torqued to the correct specifications, which for this, that is 12 Newton meters or 106 inch-pounds. Again, is in a number 5 Allen, and we're just gonna go ahead and hold this other side, get this seated in there. And there she is.
So huge thank you to Jake for showing us that installation on the Yamaha R7. As you can see, the installation process is exactly the same. This is our 2021 third generation Yamaha MT-07, but the product is installed. It's the exact same swing arm bosses, chain adjusters, everything's exactly the same. So the process is the same, and it provides ample crash protection. It does look good. It can be used as a lift point in the event if you don't already have a lifting system for the rear of your bike. But please note, with these installed, you will have trouble accessing your chain if you're trying to do any sort of chain adjustments. You will need to loosen up the axle nut. So if you want to check these out, or any of the products we have available for this 2021 Yamaha MT-07 or any other bike you may have, please stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link is in the description of this video if you want to go straight to this product page. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave them in the comment field below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. Stop by our social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Give us a follow, say hello. We'd love to hear from you, see what bikes you're riding. And for now, this is Mark from TST Industries. Catch you guys next time.